Innovation cycles in the aviation industry get shorter and shorter. At the same time, production and manufacturing requirements regarding economy, emissions, and environmental compatibility increase. Therefore, aircraft parts of the future must be more cost-effective, flexible, and ecological than ever. Fraunhofer IFAM supports this challenging industrial goal with its work in the European project MORPHO. The main focus: research for a quiet, efficient, sustainable, and at the same time economical aviation of tomorrow. By considering the example of an aircraft turbine blade, our team of scientists was able to demonstrate the potential of integrated sensors to support the achievement of this ambitious goal. Nowadays, the majority of the aircraft components can be made of fiber-reinforced plastics, FRP, allowing for lightweight design. The integration of sensors, so-called fiber brake gratings, FBGs, into FRP components is part of the scientific work carried out at IFAM. For the production of high-end components made of fiber-reinforced composite plastic, a technology called resin transfer molding, RTM, is used. During RTM, the liquid resin is pressed into a predetermined closed mold already containing the fibers and then hardens. The sensors are embedded into the fibers prior to the infusion of the resin into the mold. They are already capable for sensing during the manufacturing process and thus provide data of the production of the component, like for example the resin infusion progress. After RTM process is completed, the same FBG sensors generate data on the component's condition. The sensors can deliver information about the integrity, like potential deformations, cracks, and impacts. In this way, the service life of the component can be monitored as part of structural health monitoring, and information about the state of the aircraft can be sent directly to the cockpit. Another way of equipping components with sensors is to print them directly onto the surfaces after manufacturing. This can be realized using screen printing, dispensing processes, or aerosol jet printing. In the MORPHO project, Fraunhofer IFAM has printed piezoelectric and temperature sensors onto components made of fiber composite plastic. The data generated can be used for digitization purposes or structural health monitoring of the components. At Fraunhofer IFAM, mechanical tests using these sensorized components are conducted in order to check the functionality and behavior of the integrated sensors for different impacts and conditions. Using sensorized components as part of future aircraft structures, impact scenarios and defects in highly loaded FRP structures could be detected and the risk of unexpected failure could be minimized. Additionally, future maintenance processes could be significantly abbreviated by using sensorized structures that allow for contactless readout of the sensor's information. Accordingly, Fraunhofer IFAM contributes to a sustainable, efficient, and yet economically competitive aviation of tomorrow.